Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Council. Today I am going to discuss one of the problem in relative velocity, that is in the case of riverboat. Let's get into the question. So here the question is, a motorboat going downstream overcome a raft at a point A. At a point A. T is equals to 60 minutes later, it turned back and after some time passed the raft at a distance L is equals to 6 kilometers from the point A. So here the question is, find the flow velocity, assuming duty of engine to be constant. So here the question is, a motorboat going downstream overcome a raft. So here downstream means velocity of the boat moving along the direction of velocity of the river. So that is what we call downstream speed. So that is what we call downstream. So that is downstream speed is Vb plus VR. This is what we call downstream speed. So when velocity of the boat is against to the velocity of the river, that is what we call an upstream. That is what we call upstream. So velocity of the boat is along this direction, and velocity of the river is along this direction. So velocity of the boat is against to the velocity of the river. So in that case, velocity of the boat is going to be constant. Velocity of the boat is going to be decreased in the case of duty of engine to be constant. So that is a Vv minus Vr. So velocity of the boat is going to be decreased. So that's why we can write it as Vv minus Vr. So now the question is, a motor boat going downstream overcome a raft at a point A. So this is, here we have a raft. Raft means on a wooden plank placed on a river, isn't it? So now here we have a point A. At that point A, so we have crossed a raft. So T is equals to 60 minutes later. T is equals to 60 minutes later, it turned back and after some time passed the raft at a distance L is equals to 6 kilometers from A. L is equals to 6 kilometers from A. So here what we need to find is flow velocity we need to find. So here velocity of the raft is equals to velocity of the river, right? So velocity, no one is going to drive that raft, right? So that's why velocity of the raft is equals to velocity of the river. And so the distance, and while coming in the case of upstream, right? So from here to here the distance is L is equals to 6 kilometers. That is what the data they have given in the question itself, right? So now to find the velocity of the river, to find the velocity of the stream, so here we need to find time. We need to find time taken from A to, let us take this is a B point and let us take this is a C point. Time taken from A to C. So that is a T, A to B and B to C. That is equals to, from A to B the time is T is equals to 60 minutes. So that is TAB plus from B to C, that is TBC, isn't it? Now so T from A to B, B to C, that is equals to TAB means from A to B, that is T is equals to 60 minutes they have given. So you can write T. So now plus, so from here to here we don't have any time, but so this is a downstream and this is a upstream. From here to here the distance is D is equals to, can I say that is a Vb plus Vr into T. Why? Because in the case of this is a downstream speed, the downstream speed means that is a Vb plus Vr, isn't it? So from B to C we need to find distance between B and C. Distance between B and C we need to find. So that is, can I say, so this is, can I say that is a DBC by DBC by So velocity of the boat minus velocity of the river. So why? Because this is upstream speed, isn't it? So now we need to find distance between B and C. So distance between B and C means, can I say AB minus L, right? So DAB minus L. So that means, so T plus DBC we can write it as VB plus VR into T from here to here, and if you subtract this value, we'll get distance between B and C, isn't it? So now minus L by VB minus VR, VB minus VR. So this is what the T value, right? As I discussed earlier, so velocity of the river is equals to velocity of the raft, and from here to here the length is L is equals to 6 kilometers. So now T means, can I say that is L by VR, velocity of the stream or velocity of the river velocity. So that is equals to, T means, can I say that is a TVB plus TVR plus TVB plus TVR minus L by VB minus VR. So here, so this is a minus TVR and plus TVR will get cancel out each other, and remaining will be, so L by VR and 2T VB minus L by VB minus VR. So we can write it as, so here I am writing that, so here, so this is L by VR is equals to 2T VB minus L by VB minus VR, VB minus VR. Right. So now here from this one, VB L VB minus L VR is equals to 2T VB VR minus L VR we can write, and here minus L VR and here minus L VR. And now, so this is L VB is equals to 2T VB VR we can write. So here we can cancel out, that is a VB and VB, and no need to write here, and no need to write here, and so this is L VR, and VR is equals to L by 2T, that is equals to L. In the question itself we have that is L is equals to 6 kilometers, so that is 6 kilometers we can write, and 2 into T means 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour, so this is 1 hour. So 6 by 2 means that is 3 kilometers per hour. 3 kilometers per hour. So this is what the stream velocity, isn't it? Thank you.